Frequently asked questions. Congratulations! If you have made it this far on our training, you have surely learned a whole lot about how to make YouTube marketing the right way. Yet we believe that you might need some assistance along the way. And that is why we have prepared a brief video to give you a heads up on some frequently asked questions about YouTube marketing. What type of video content should you create? First off, you have to create videos that are related to the niche or business that you are going to market and promote, as creating videos that are unrelated to what your target audience wants will not allow you to get new customers only because you are uploading more content to your channel. What type of videos are there? You might be mostly familiar with in-person videos, where there is a host discussing the topic in front of the camera. But the truth is that there are several types of video, and each type of video is better suited for certain content. In-person videos. Videos featuring people in front of the camera are the most common videos out there, especially when it comes to marketing and business-oriented videos. And many people get nervous in front of a camera. But being camera-friendly is a skill that you can develop over time. The good thing about these videos is that you can edit and repurpose them to give them an extra edge or a cleaner, more professional look and feel, depending on what you're going to cover in your videos. Live streams. Live streams are a variation of the in-person videos. Whereas you are recording a video that you can easily stop and repeat, a live stream is a live broadcast. Live streams are better suited for videos where you want to interact with your viewers. Screen capture videos. Screen capture videos have become a common staple of the YouTube marketing world because they allow marketers to record on-screen actions that can be shown in YouTube videos using screen recording software. Slideshow videos. These are the type of videos where you can paste images and text to create a slideshow presentation, often with an audio or voice track. Is number of views an important metric? It depends on what you're trying to achieve. If your goal is to earn as much ad revenue as possible, absolutely, views are important. But there is a metric that might be more important than the number of views that you get. We are talking about engagement, of course, which on YouTube can be identified as click-through rates. You can have over 1 million views and only 100 clicks, which is not helping you to earn any revenue, either from advertising or affiliate marketing. So the best approach is to create quality content that can encourage your viewers to interact with your content, your links, and the ads shown on your channel. Can I buy subscribers and likes? While there are places and people out there promising you to get your channel over 100,000 views or subscribers in record time, we don't recommend you to hire their services because, you see, the YouTube algorithm is pretty good at detecting fraudulent interactions on videos uploaded to the platform. That is mostly because social proof is built over time, and reaching 1,000 views or subscribers is not that easy at first for most, let alone 100,000. The best approach to keeping your audience growing is by getting backlinks to your videos, which you can do by creating amazing content and interacting with other content creators that can help you to get your content out there. Can I use music on my marketing videos? You can, but make sure that you are not using songs that are subjected to hard copyright rules. Otherwise, your channel can get a copyright strike. We recommend you to use music from the free music library in your channel's dashboard.